Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video and another episode of what every cruiser wants. This week again we have 3 cruise comments for you guys. Hey, and these are real comments that people write into Mr. John Heald over at Carnival Cruise Lines, giving their opinions, letting him know that this is how everybody wants it, this is what everybody desires, and they should make changes immediately to suit these requests. But before we get started with that, I have decided that I want to be able to say that I've asked everybody and that everybody I talk to agrees with me. But I've only figured out one way to do this. All right. So this is Miko, the very unofficial cruise dog. He likes to sit in here while I make videos. Well, I have decided I'm going to change his name. His name now is going to be Everybody. That way I can say I spoke to everybody and that everybody I spoke to agrees with me. What do you guys think? Should we change his name to Everybody so that we can all say that too? All right, so enough fooling around. Let's get in here with our first cruise comment. John Heald, the last thing I want to do is spend hours every night with a group of strangers at dinner. You yourself, John Heald, said that anytime dining was the most requested by your customers. It is time for Carnival to ditch the old love boat assigned dining and let everyone eat when they wish. This way, John Heald, there will be less wait time for a table and less wait time for private tables, which is every customer's desire to have. All right, so an oldie but a goodie. We always get a lot of comments about the main dining room, whether it's tablecloths or noise or hats. There's always something about the main dining room, and this time they want to get rid of assigned dining time. So early dining, late dining, and anytime dining is what Carnival has. There already are some cruise lines that only have anytime dining, but in this case there are 3 assigned dining times: early, late, and anytime. And when you book your cruise, you can pick which one you want. We all know that. And Carnival has said that anytime dining is one of the most popular choices pretty much most of the time. Then early dining is second, with late dining being third. But what do you guys think? Should they get rid of the early and late dining times and only have anytime dining? Because according to this comment, nobody wants to sit together at a table with strangers. Nobody wants to meet new friends. Nobody wants to have conversation. We all only want private tables, and we only want to dine when we want. We don't want early dining, and we don't want late dining. Even though an awful lot of people select early dining. Strange. People still pick late dining. Strange. I mean, even though they have the option of anytime dining, and that's what everybody wants. But you guys let me know in the comments below what y'all think. Leave dining the way it is, or turn it into only my time dining. All right, comment number 2. This time we have a little bit of class action here. You know, I'm diamond, I'm platinum. Look at me, look at me. I'm the important one. But let's take a look. What is this? You are giving us platinum passengers, the ones that have kept you afloat, pun intended, John Heald, a drink koozie. Really? When our loyalty mattered to you and mattered to Carnival, we all got Tervis tumblers, then nightlight, then a backpack. I am boarding Magic on Tuesday. If I get the koozie, it will go straight in the garbage. I don't know about y'all, but I have never booked a cruise or considered booking a cruise based on whether or not they're going to give me a gift. Now, I cruise for the joy of cruising. I cruise for the love of cruising. I cruise for the ships. I cruise for the destinations. I have never cruised for the gift. And I've gotten gifts on cruise ships. They're nice. I enjoy them. I keep them. But that's never my reason for cruising. And if I don't get one, or it's not the exact one I want, I don't just throw it in the trash. And I certainly don't run around and go, but I'm platinum and you owe me. Because I have kept your business going. I have kept you afloat. But, you know, hey, maybe I'm reading it wrong. Maybe I'm looking at it from the wrong angle. You guys let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think? Do you cruise for the gift? Is the gift so important that it makes or breaks your cruise? You guys let me know in the comments below what y'all think. And finally, we have a little bit of balcony etiquette. This is what we're going to call it, balcony etiquette. Now, we all know that you're not supposed to hang things on your balcony. You're not supposed to put stuff out there. It's going to blow away. They don't want stuff hanging there. It could be fire hazards, all kinds of things. This is pretty common knowledge for cruisers. At least experienced cruisers, brand new cruisers may not know that you're not supposed to put stuff out on your balcony. But you are not supposed to put stuff out there. You're not supposed to hang stuff out there. It's just against the rules. But this person disagrees with it. Let's take a look. I am currently on the Carnival Mardi Gras, John. I brought my hammock as I have on blank class ships. I was told I cannot have this on my balcony. The balcony that I paid for. There are places to tie off, so I brought a pair of 3 C-clamps that I attached to the steel beams that then give me a spot to tie off to. Why is this not allowed? Why does Carnival not have a hammock on every balcony? It is what everybody wishes for on their cruise. Replace the sun lounge and the chairs with hammocks. All right, so everybody wishes hammocks. Let's find out. Everybody, do you wish hammocks? Everybody is not sure if they wish for a hammock or not. They only wish to try to lick me. All right, so we asked everybody. Everybody really didn't give us an answer as to whether or not they wanted a hammock or not. I think he prefers chairs. That's just me, though. But just because you pay for a balcony doesn't mean you get to make up the rules on your balcony. You still have to follow the rules of the cruise line. Even if you paid for it, you agreed to that when you paid for it. And of course, we're going to have to answer that question. Do we all want hammocks on our balcony instead of, the table and chairs that's out there now? Which one would you prefer? The hammock, the table and chairs, or maybe the option of one or the other? Maybe you can tell your room steward when you get on the ship, hey, I would like a hammock on my balcony instead of the table and chairs. Could you please arrange that for me? Maybe that would be an option. But to say everybody wants a hammock, there's an awful lot of people I know that enjoy sitting on their balcony in the morning having a cup of coffee. I don't know how well that would work if you were sitting in a hammock, but you guys are going to have to help me out and let me know in the comments below. All right, and that's going to be our show for this week of what every cruiser wants. And like I said, we asked everybody. We did. So we have all of the answers and everything we believe must be true. All right. But I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, hit that like button. If you haven't done so, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. And like always, we'll let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone has a really great day and a really great weekend. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.